Easily do your music marketing or music promotion with DistroKid and their Hyperfollow feature. I'm Zane, welcome to Simple Green Tech, and today I'm looking at the Hyperfollow feature on DistroKid. Now, this is a sponsored video, but that doesn't change anything. I'm a big fan of DistroKid. I use their service, and I've done several other videos that weren't sponsored where I talk about their service. So this is just sort of a bonus for me. Now, normally in my videos, I talk about creating music, but let's say you've created music, you've got some songs ready, you want to release them, you want to get them on Spotify, iTunes, Google Play, maybe even on Instagram so you can share them in your Instagram stories. Now, DistroKid is a very affordable service that will get your music onto all of the major online music stores like Spotify, like iTunes, and Amazon and Google Play. It costs about $19.99 per year, and you can release as many songs as you can create within a year, and you get 100% of the royalties. DistroKid just gets that $19.99 that you paid them. And if you use the link down in the description, you save an additional 7% on that. So if you plan on releasing any music over the next year, be sure to use that link and save yourself some money. Now, releasing your music is just the first part of the battle. You need to do some music marketing and music promotion so that people can find the music that you just released. Well, DistroKid can help you with that too by providing you with a Hyperfollow page. As soon as you're done uploading your EP, album, or your single to DistroKid, it creates this Hyperfollow page, which has a quick clip so people can test out your goods, and then they can click and they can pre-save your song on Spotify. And once your song's actually released on all of the platforms, it will provide you links to each of those platforms and your song on those platforms so people can easily click and download your song from whichever online music store they prefer. Plus, you'll gain Spotify followers, get some new listeners, and you can even get your listeners' email addresses. And I'll get more into that in just a bit, but first I want to show you what this Hyperfollow page looks like. Now, this is a DistroKid Hyperfollow page for a single that I released a while back. So you can see it has the links to all of the major online music stores in here. You have your Spotify, your Apple Music, Amazon, Google Play, and more. So you can start your music promotion right away. Start sharing this link and people can start doing pre-saves by clicking on here. And then once your music is actually released onto these stores, those links are going to show up in here like this one. Now, you can also customize this page by going up to Customize here. And then you want to go to Edit this page. And you can see you can change things like artist, song title, but you don't want to do that because your artist name is your artist name and song title is song title. You can change the release date if you really wanted. You can put a YouTube embedded URL in there. So if you have the video for this, you can put that in there. And you do get a video that's created for you through the YouTube topic channel. So if you can find that once it's uploaded there, you can come back here and embed it. So here are the stores that showed up on our Hyperfollow page by default. And I'm going to reorganize these. I want Spotify at the top. Then I want iTunes right under it. And I also want Google Play up there. Might as well bring Napster to the top too, as it pays a little more. But you can also add new links in here. So a Bandcamp might be one that you want to add in here. You can also add your social media links. Just click Add Link, choose the service, Save Changes. And now you can see I have my Instagram link at the top here. And you can see that all of these have been reordered. All right, so here's that YouTube topic channel that I was telling you about. This was automatically created for me, and the video is just the album artwork with the song playing, and that's it. So what you want to do is go to share and grab this link right here. Let's go back, go to customize, edit this page, and we'll just put that link in there. Then we'll go down to save. And now you can see it has the YouTube video embedded right on this page. And ads will play on this video and you'll get the revenue for the ads that play on that video. Okay, so that's an older Hyperfollow page, but before I started doing this video, I actually uploaded my latest EP, and this is what the Hyperfollow page looks like right after you upload your EP or your single or your album. So you can see here, if people click on this, it's the Spotify pre-save, which would add your album or song to their Spotify library. So once it is live on Spotify, it actually gets into their library. You can also see there's the share email address with artists. So if people don't uncheck that, you're going to get their email address. But let me refresh this now, and you'll see that because I added the social media links in the other one, I also set it to add it to all of the Hyperfollow pages for this particular artist. So if I had more, they would all show up along in here. But let's see what else we can do and customize on this one. We don't have the YouTube embedded URL yet, but we can put that in there once we get it. We have the Spotify pre-save on. You can turn that off if you really want to for whatever reason. There's the audio previews that you can turn off, but like it says in here, you don't get those previews until it's actually released, and I have this set to release in a couple of days. You can add your Google Analytics in here so you can see the analytics from this page. And if you're on SoundCloud or some other service like maybe Bandcamp, you can add that in here too. And of course, you can add more social media accounts. The moment you've uploaded your song or songs, you get this page and you can start sharing it right away. And hopefully you're going to collect some pre-saves or at least get on some people's radars. Plus, it gives you some content to share on your social media accounts. Most of us are do-it-yourself musicians. We write and record the music ourselves, we mix it ourselves, and now we've released the music ourselves. And having just one link to worry about for all of the major online music stores makes it easy for our music marketing efforts. And even if you have a band or a bit of a crew to help you, this still helps to keep everything in order. So everyone's using the same link and there's no confusion. And look at this. They even give you share buttons for Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. So if you're not on all those social media sites yet, get creating them. Plus also create an Instagram page. I know I'm not going to make it rich with my music releases, but I at least want some people to have a listen to it. Why else would I release it? But maybe you do have the potential to have your music take off and start making you some income, and maybe you can even make a career out of it. Well, first you need to start with creating some great songs and then releasing them. And then the next big thing is the music promotion and music marketing. The DistroKid Hyperfollow link makes it easy to reach your fans and have them check out your music no matter which music platform they prefer. You've got fans that like iTunes, you're covered. Spotify, covered. Napster, you're covered, plus many others. The idea is to make it easy for your fans to listen and purchase your music. Plus, it makes it easy for you to promote and market it. Now, if you want to check out my video that discusses an EP versus a single versus an album, click up here, or click down here to see what YouTube recommends. If you like this video, can you please give it a thumbs up? Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. For Simple Green Tech, I'm Zane. Keep creating, and we'll talk soon.